What's up, man? Welcome back to my channel. Got another video unboxing. It's one of my favorite artists. His name is Joyner. He's one of my favorites. And I got ADHD 2. This album's incredible. So I got the vinyl of it. There's the cover. See right there with the butterfly covering his eyes. It says ADHD 2. There's that. Here's the bag with the tracks. So yeah, let's unbox it, shall we? This could take a while. Not open the plastic right here. We got it. We got that. So there's that. Let's start with records. Yeah, let's start with the record. If I grab it, can grab it out. These sleeves are not the best quality. There's that. So that's it. Set right there. Let's start with the records. This is just standing black. So standing black all around. So yeah, one of my favorite albums of Joyner 2020. So yeah, there's this one. See, stand black. So it's just stand black. Nothing too crazy flashy. So that's that. Oh, there's a poster. Oh my god, this is a big, oh my god. See, there's the poster right there. It's the front. And here's the back. So yeah, ADHD 2. I got this on Amazon, so yeah, I'm getting that on my phone. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.